Welcome today in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel right there, and just to add or remove or change the positions of some icons here, you can click here on the edit icon, and after that you can see here that we can add this only 5 icons from this down section, and just to do that you should click here on this green pluses. So just by click on the right upper corner on each of the icons, you will edit them here to the our notification panel. So as can you see, we just successfully added them here. Just to remove some icons by the same way, click here on the red minuses on the right upper corner here. Oh, why? And then just click here to done on the right upper corner, and you can see all of these changes here. And just to change the positions, for example, here to make the airplane mode the first icon, hold it for a while and drag it here, and by the same way we can change the position of all our device icons, and here on the notification panel here. And to save the changes, click here to done, and you can see here all the changes on our tab bar here. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.